Alright, welcome back to my channel. Do I look good, Noah?
Yes.
Okay. Just want to make sure that I get all my head for this, because the last time I did a type of video like this, my head got cut off. So, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome all the new fams and the old fams. Thank you for being here. Welcome. So I wanted to do this video on this mask. It is a Juicy Strawberry Glow Mask, and it's supposed to be strawberry yogurt complex. So I figure these are very easy to use. They're just, you put it on your face and let it sit. And this one, you let it sit 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to rip it open. Oh, like a juice came out of that. Does it smell like strawberry? So I'm just going to rip this open, see how it is in there. It's very, very moist. Very. Ooh, it's squishy. Ooh, this is weird. This is how it looks. It looks like strawberry yogurt. Okay, well, let's see how you put this on. So, okay, it's one sheet. Ooh, it smells like strawberries. That's interesting. So this is supposed to, I'll read everything when I get this on. Just gonna face it to your face. Ooh, it smells so good though. So I'm gonna leave this on 15 minutes. Look at it. So this is very easy. You don't have to worry about applying. You just put it right onto your face. So 15 minutes. So in that time, I am, let's see. Okay. This is formulated in rich antioxidants and a soft microfiber sheet to retain moisture for a hydrated finish that lasts. Okay, so clean your skin, blah blah blah, which I did. Unfold a piece carefully. So this is supposed to hydrate your face, which is really cool. So this is how I got this in Walmart. I think it was like $3. So I got that in Walmart, and these masks are wonderful. They're so, especially now here in Connecticut, it's summertime coming. It's not official summer, but it's getting warmer, and it is so refreshing. And I gotta go to work today, and I just wanted to hydrate my face before work, and I wanted to do another mask video because the first one, it didn't come out so well, and I just wanted to do this. The first one I did was the watermelon. Got it at CVS, and I think that was $2.99 or $4.99, and it was $2.99 sale, something like that. So I wanted to get on here and do another one, and show you all. And I'm sorry for the lack of videos, because usually I upload almost every day. I just in the process of getting a house and doing all that, and it's, by the end of the day I'm tired, so it's a lot of work. So yeah, so sorry about that, and definitely you'll be seeing some videos on the process of us moving and all that. So, but I wanted to jump on here before I go to work and show you this. And this is so refreshing. I want something to wake me up. And this is great for the morning, because you put this on in the morning and this will wake you up for the day. And this is so cool. And I didn't put this in the refrigerator or anything. This was in my closet outside my bathroom. So this is really cool. I love this feeling. It's so like, how can I, slime. It feels like that slime pretty much. So it's like really, yeah, it's like the texture of slime, but it's so moist. So moist. So I'm waiting for that. And let's see, leave on, take off the mask, but okay, leave 15-20, puts leave on for 15-20 minutes, then remove mask. No need to rinse. Oh, okay. Take remaining existence and pat into skin. And no need to rinse. So that's a plus. So you don't, I was thinking I would have to get a bucket of water right here. So no need to rinse. Okay. Definitely okay. Cool. I'm thinking I would have to rinse. I rinsed the last one, so maybe I didn't even have to rinse when I did the other one. I thought I would have to, but you just put it on you. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I think I might be getting allergies. It is definitely so much pollen here in Connecticut. Definitely so much pollen. It's crazy pollen. So I have 10 more minutes. I feel like something's like tickling my nose. Really tickling my nose. It's really crazy. So how is I might have said this before, but how is everyone doing? If you have a suggestion on a skincare product you want me to try, or makeup, you know, something you want me to try, just leave it in the comments. Leave it in the comments below, and I will make a video on it. You know, give me some suggestions on what videos you want to see. Do you know, anything you want me to review? Yeah, and especially would I like to review any drugstore makeups too. You know, any drugstore makeups you want me to review. Probably be a little easier to get my hands on there, especially when the high-end makeups are so expensive. But drop all your comments anyways, and then whatever I can do at the moment, I will make a video on that. This feels awesome. And I did get this mask at Walmart. Walmart has tons of these cute little masks, and I'm telling you, very affordable. So you don't have to buy like the cream, put it on your face and wait till it dries and all that, and it costs 30 bucks or whatever for it. So you can definitely buy these cute little masks for $2.99. How cheap is that? How cheap? It'd be awesome, because not everybody could afford high-end stuff. Okay, hello, I'm back. Now it's time to peel this off. So you just peel this off. Close your eyes when you do it. That's weird. It looks like a fruit roll-up or something. So now you just massage into skin. And that's it. So you don't even have to rinse. Oh, it feels so good. It feels really refreshing, because I was tired this morning. Oh, it feels so good. I was so tired. Because I think even if I think in this process with house hunting and everything, it doesn't tire me out. I'm like, oh, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm exhausted. Just, you know, my realtor giving us phone calls and running and so this smells so good. So I'm gonna let this dry, and that's it. That's all you do. And you're hydrated, and especially with this time, you know, this will be good, especially in the winter time here, because Connecticut, your skin dries out so fast. But this is so, love these. I'm definitely going to use these masks more often. And I do have a nighttime mask I got at Walmart and everything. They have all kinds of different ones. So I'm so happy that you're here. We did a little chit-chatting about my new adventure, and of course videos are going to be running on that too. I'm blessed. Thank you for being here and supporting my channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell in the corner, and hit the thumbs up. It shows YouTube that I'm doing a good job of my videos. And comment, give me some suggestions on what videos you'd like to see, and that's it. And tell your friends, you know, if that what kind of videos I do, and suggest them to me, you know. Any little bit helps. I like doing these videos. Really, really like doing videos. So, God bless you all. Have a great, great Wednesday. And I will be putting up this video later on today when I get home. And have a blessed day. Have a great day. I feel really good today. So happy. It is beautiful outside. Love it. We are going to get some rain later, but you know, right now I'm enjoying it. It's been the past couple days beautiful. So see you later for now, and we'll see you on the next one.